So what I wanted to show you today was this new cell phone holder that I have on my knee roller that I use all day and all night. It's always with me, so I know where my cell phone is when I put it in this holder. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put the cell phone in. You just push it in and it clamps on both the bottom and the top. And then there's a red locking switch on the back. Once you engage the lock, these are not going to move, and so it's in there for good. So while I'm back here, I'll show you that there's an adjustment knob that you can undo and move this in any direction, and then tighten it down, and it's fixed to the handlebar. These handlebars, this is a really minimal diameter handlebar. You can get some large one. You can see the spacers that I've used when I put this on. You can take them out depending on the diameter that you have for your needs. So once I put it on and engage the mechanism here to clamp down on the handlebar, that doesn't move either. What else can I show you about this? So once it's in there, it's in there. So what I'm going to do for this hike that I'm going to do is I'm going to undo the lever, move it forward, and then undo this round knob here on the back, and it'll allow me to move it so that I'll be able to show you a hike that I'm going to be doing with my dogs here at a track. So that's the cell phone holder, and I hope you enjoy it, and it's going to allow me freedom to not have the cell phone in my pocket when there's either a call, a text, or needing to gather any information. Cell phone is always available. So all you have to do is twist it back, and it's facing you. If you're on a motorcycle, a cycle, or a knee roller, or what have you, that you need access to it. So should you want to check out this for yourself, this particular holder is on Amazon, and I'll put the link down below on this video, and then you can go there and check out all the specs for yourself. But I've used it a lot, like I said, and I really believe in this product. If I haven't broken it, it's durable. So enjoy. Of the track. Nice smooth surface. Looks like they worked on it a little bit. Right, Tess? What a beautiful morning to be out here. Isn't it, Tess? Grass is nice and green, especially for the middle of summer, almost into September. Wasn't too hard to get up here on the track, even with my knee roller. Especially after I fixed a flat tire last night. That's a problem most people never have, probably. A hole in their inner tube. What do you think, Tess? Yep, coming around the bend. A couple of days since they mowed the grass. Good to get out here on the track again. Been a couple weeks, I think. Always takes longer when I'm on the knee roller to do anything, especially with a flat tire. Guys up on the roof, putting in air conditioning. New roof in the school. Tess, go to the bleachers. Come on. Come on, Tess. Asher, back. Tess, come on. 3, 2. Tess, leave it. Up. Come on, Tess. Come on. Tessa, up. Nice. Good girl. Up. Oh, nice, Tess. Nice. Sit down. Nice, Asher. Steady. Steady, mister. Nice. You get out of the sun. Nice, guys. Stay. Steady. Nice. Okay, where's Tessa's? Fell on the ground, Asher. It fell on the ground. Okay, let's go. Come on, Tess, over here. Tess, up, up. Good girl, Tess. Come here. Sit, sit, sit. Tessa, sit. Tessa. Pretty.